So we're continuing with surface area volumes. We did about cube yesterday. We did the volume of the cube is side cubed and total surface area is 6 side squared or 6a squared. Okay, so today we're looking at a cube. A cube is nothing but a 3D figure of a rectangle. Okay, so if we have a rectangle, we have L into B. So the area of a rectangle is, is area is length into breadth. Same thing we can convert into a 3D figure, which will be the cuboid. It look like this. You should be able to draw these diagrams because it helps to visualize the problem. Okay, so we'll have again length and breadth, and we'll have a height over here. So what is happening is this area on this part has become the area of the base here of the cuboid. We have just added the height on top. So now if I look at the, before we go on for area, let's first understand the volume. So the volume I told you is the area of the base into the height. So this is the area of the base into height. Area of the base will be L into B and the height. So it will become LBH. So the volume of a cuboid is nothing but length into breadth into height. Everyone keep your videos on. Okay. Is it okay so far? Any doubts? Okay. Now looking at the total surface area. Total surface area, again, like when we did about cube, we saw that a cube has 6 faces. So there will be again 6 faces over here also. Okay. So what will happen in the 6 faces? We have these 2 front faces here. The front face, which is L into H. Similarly, we have this face at the back side, which is again into L into H. So if we look at these 2 faces, what is the area of each face, Siddhant? Siddhant Singhal?
Yes, sir.
What will be the area of each of these faces?
Sir, L into B and again L into B.
How L into B? We're talking about this front face. Let me color it for you. This front face over here. So what will be L into H?
Sir, L into H.
So it'll be LH into LH, right? Now, if we look at the 2 left-hand side and the right-hand side, so we have this figure here, and on this side, we'll have this side over here. So this will become base into height, and again, we'll have a base into height. So we'll have again BH into BH, sorry, plus BH, because there are 2 of them. Are you all understanding this? If anybody has a doubt, let me know. With this, we can easily derive the formula. And now looking at the lower side, we have the base over here, which is again L into B. And we have the top over here, which is again L into B. So we'll have again an LB plus again an LB. So if we combine all 6 faces like this, we'll get the total surface area. So this I can write as LH plus LH will become 2LH. This will become 2LB, 2BH. And this will become twice of LB. So if I add all of them, what will I get? I'll get 2LH plus 2BH plus 2LB. So if I take out common 2, I'll get 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. So that is the formula for finding out the total surface area of all 6 faces of a cuboid. It's 2 into LB in brackets plus BH plus LH. Please copy this down, everyone. If anybody has a doubt, let me know. Quickly copy this. So we have two formulas for a cuboid. The volume of a cuboid is LBH and its total surface area is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. It's L into B plus B into H plus L into H. Done? Anybody still copying this? Siddhant Garve clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's do a numerical now. Why am I giving you the derivation? Because it becomes very easy to understand and the problems, especially when we're going to do a higher one of them. Okay, do this one. Please do this. A cuboid of dimensions 18 centimeters into 16 centimeters into 6 centimeters is melted to form a cube. Find the side of the cube so formed. Whenever we give these dimensions like this, okay, we have 18 centimeters into 16 centimeters into 6 centimeters. This is always L into B into H. You can assume it to be this way. So read the question carefully and find out what can be done over here. So what are they saying? We have a rectangle, a cuboid. Okay, of dimensions 18 by 16 by 6. And we melted this to form a cube. We have to find out the side, each side or the each edge which is there. What is x equal to? These kind of problems, whenever there is a melting or conversion of one form to the other, I'll give you a hint what you need to do. Find out the total volume of this shape and equate it to the total volume of this shape. And you'll get the answer. So you'll find out the total volume of the cuboid and make it equal to because the amount of material or the volume will always be the same. The amount of matter inside this cuboid will be equal to the matter inside the cube. So it will be equal to the volume of the cube. So you can get the x cubed. Put those two formulas and message me your answers. It's a pretty easy question. Think about it and solve it. I've already given you 80%. You just need to work it out. Mahuri, that is incorrect. Recheck your working. So Ramya, that is correct. Siddhant Garve, that is the first part. I mean, that is the volume of the cuboid. That is correct. But you need to find out the side of the cube. So this volume is melted to form a cube. Think on what you can do now further to find out the volume of the cube. Mahuri, check your working. Siddhant Singhal, that is incorrect. Mahuri, no, that is wrong. Rest of you hurry up. It's a very pretty simple question. Sarah Vastani, equate both the volumes. Sarah Vastani, unmute yourself.
Yeah.
Okay, so when we work on this problem, what are we doing? We're taking a big cuboid and we're melting it into a cube.
Yes.
So when we melt a cuboid into a cube, won't the volume of both the cuboid and the cube be the same? Will they be the same or will they be different?
It will be different.
So what we are going to do in this, we find out the volume of the cuboid, the dimensions are given to you, and make it equal to the volume of the cube. You know the volume of the cube if the side is x? Then we can solve it. Go further and try. Last 1 minute, everyone. Rest of you send me your answers quickly. Rishima, are you getting the answer? Krishna? Akriti, Aryan? Siddhant Singhal? Answers, everyone. Send it
Yes, sir.
across. Answer?
Yes, sir. I'm trying.
Okay. I've already solved 80% of the problem for you all. Rishima, are you able to get it? Rishima, unmute yourself.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Rishima, what is the formula for volume of a cuboid?
And to be into
LBH. And what is the volume of a cube?
X
X
side.
cubed. So we're taking the side as X. So let the side of the cube be X. Right? So that means that the volume of the cuboid, which is LBH, is equal to X cubed. So what is the dimensions of the cuboid?
1632.
1?
1632.
No. 18 into 16 into 6? Siddhant Garve, that is correct. Sara Vastani, that is correct. Aryan, correct. 1728. I think you made a calculation mistake somewhere.
Yes.
So 1728 is equal to X cubed. So what will be the value of X? The third root of 1728? What is that? 12?
Yes.
So what is the answer?
12.
Okay. Was this a difficult sum?
No.
Right. So just try to figure out what exactly is the question saying and work further accordingly. Okay, let's do another one. Okay. Okay, let's do this one. The total surface area of a cube is 294 centimeters squared. Find its volume. Quickly do this. The total surface area of a cube is 294 centimeters squared. Find its volume. A pretty easy question. Quickly send me your answers. Rishima,
Yes, sir.
is this a cuboid or a cube?
It's a cube.
Right. So you know the formula for surface area of a cube?
Yes.
Okay, do it accordingly now. Mahuri, that is correct. Rest of you hurry up, a pretty basic, easy question. You just need to apply the formulas. So Ramya, that is correct. Please remember that the units carry marks. So if you don't get right the correct unit, you will lose marks. Samita, units. I just told you to write the units. Yes, it's correct now. Get into the habit of writing the units, because this is what happens when you all give the papers. You're so used to not writing the units that you forget to do that and you lose marks unnecessarily. Aryan, read the question. What is the question asking you?
Got it, sir.
Okay. So always read the question twice, and whatever is asked, write that word down and put a question mark in it in the beginning itself. So what are you going to do? In this kind of question, what you're going to write? You're going to write TSA. Don't write TSA, you have to write total surface area. This is just a short form that I'm writing is 294 centimeters squared. You write down volume and you write down a big question mark there. So you know that you need to find volume, not the side, in the answer. Siddhant Garve, that is incorrect. Siddhant, come on, this is a very basic, easy question. I expect you to do this. Siddhant Garve, send me your side. What kind of a side did you get? Aryan, the unit is wrong. What is the unit of volume, Aryan? Aryan, what is the unit of volume?
So it is centimeter cube.
Right, so you need to write that. Get into the habit of writing the correct
Yes,
units.
sir.
Answer is
So
correct.
actually, I was typing it, but it got sent by mistake. So
Okay, just take care. Sarah Patil, unmute yourself. Sarah Patil, unmute yourself.
Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible now. Tell me, what is the formula for total surface area of a cube?
No, I think it's 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus
What is a,
length into height.
do you remember when I was explaining the cube figure yesterday? What is a cube? All sides equal. So will we have a length into breadth into height in a cube? A cube is an extension of a square in which all sides are equal. So now think and tell me, what is the total surface area of a cube, Sarah? Sarah, keep yourself unmuted. Rishima, the answer is correct. What is the total?
2 into length into breadth into height.
I just told you, Sarah, that a cube has all sides equal. So what will be the formula if all are x?
Side cube.
No. Did you copy the notes from yesterday?
Yes.
Can you go back and refer and let me know the correct formula for total surface area of a cube?
Surface.
I've explained this to you in detail. Had you been paying attention, you would have known this. I'm waiting for your answer.
6 into area square.
6 into side square,
And
not
Yeah.
height, side square.
yeah, 6 into side square.
So if I take the side as x, it will become 6x squared, which is given to you as 294. Can you solve this equation now? 294 is equal to 6 x squared. What is the value of x? 294 divided by 6 is? So, okay, let's do 294 divided by 6. Tell me. Second standard maths, 294 divided by 6. $49.
Yeah,
So what will be the value of x? What is the root of 49?
7.
So the side is 7. Now what do we need to find out the volume? What is the volume of a cube? Again, if you don't
The volume
remember,
of a cube-
look at your notes and answer.
the volume of a cube is area into height.
Area into height. Again, I've been telling you there is no height in a cube. All sides are equal. You're looking at the cuboid formula again and again. Look for the
Area into
specific.
side.
Sarah, did you copy the notes that I gave you yesterday? There is
Yes.
specifically mentioned the volume of a cube. Can you tell me what is the volume of the cube? What is the formula? Side cube. Do you have that written down? Siddhant Garve, that is correct. Sarah, do you have side cube written down anywhere in your notes?
Yes, I just found it.
Can you highlight both the formulas, both for volume and the total surface area of a cube?
Yes,
Now tell me, so what is the side over here? 7 cube. What is the answer? What is 7 cube equal to be?
243.
What will be the unit? Centimeter cube.
Sorry, cube centimeter.
Centimeter cube. Okay. Please remember the formulas, revise what we do in the previous classes. Otherwise, it will become very difficult for you to proceed and solve these questions. Okay, everyone do this one. The length, breadth, and height of a cuboid are in the ratio 6:5:4. If its volume is 15,000 centimeter cubed, find 1, its dimensions, and 2, its surface area. Quickly do this. Sarah Patil, please look at your formulas and write them down properly somewhere. Without the formulas, it will be impossible for you all to solve these kind of questions. I mean, any question related to mensuration. So length, breadth, and height of a cuboid are in the ratio 6:5:4. The volume is 15,000 centimeter cube. Find the dimensions and its surface area. Krishna, are you getting these problems? All of you all, please keep your videos on. I'm not going to repeat it again. I don't know why you have an aversion to keeping the videos on. Just leave them on and forget about them. If somebody's coming in your vicinity or near you, it doesn't matter. You're all at home. It's expected that someone will be coming here and there. Don't bother. Concentrate on solving the questions. Send me your answers. All these problems, you just need to remember the formula and apply it. And the rest of it is basic algebra, what we've been doing for a long time now. Send me your answers quickly. 2 parts to the question, dimensions. First, send me the dimensions. Proceed further only if the dimensions are correct. I want everyone to attempt these kind of problems. Two more minutes to solve this. Let me see who can solve. Give me the correct answer first. Siddhant Singhal, that is correct. Go further. Do the second part. And now whenever you give these kind of answers, Siddhant, always write the length and breadth and height, which you've given me 3 values, but you haven't written which value is what. So you will lose marks there. Krishna, what happened? Why are you looking blank? You know how to solve ratio problems, Krishna? Yes or no? Why, Krishna? You know how to do ratio related problems? Whenever we have sides given the ratio. So what is your X value coming out to be? X. No, that is incorrect. Sarah Vastani, that is correct. Go to the second part. Siddhant Singhal, that is wrong. Your volume is, the surface area is incorrect. Siddhant Garve, incorrect. Siddhant Singhal is correct now. What was the mistake earlier?
Sir, I wrote 2 instead of 3.
Okay. No, Samita, that is incorrect. It's not plus. Remember, all of you, I think you all are doing 9, 15. Yeah, I know what the problem, Samita and our Krishna, I know what the problem is there. Samita, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
What is the formula for volume of a cuboid?
Length into breadth into height.
So why have we done L plus B plus H?
Sir, because we'll take 6x, 5x, and 3x.
3x, 4x. So will you add them or will you multiply them if that's the volume?
Multiply.
So why did you add it? Because you're getting the habit of adding up to solve for x, right?
Yes,
Without
sir.
reading the question. Solve it correctly. Krishna, did you understand your mistake? What is the formula for volume, Krishna, of a cuboid? Krishna, what is the formula for volume of a cuboid? You're not audible, Krishna. Rest of you, hurry up and send me your answer. Samita, no. So that is x cubed. Samita, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Let's solve this together. What do I do?
So 6x, 5x, and 4x, we'll multiply.
First, I write volume. We need to write down the
Yes.
formulas. So volume of a cuboid,
Length into breadth into height.
what is the L over here? 6x.
6x,
What is breadth? 5x.
5x.
And what is H?
4x.
Okay. So now volume given is LBH. So what will it become? 6x into 5x into 4x works out to be
120x.
20. Yeah. 120x. Very good. X into x into x is x.
Oh, x cube.
Okay, you found out your mistake. So we are
Yes, sir.
given that 120 x cubed is 15,000. So what is the value of x cubed? 125. 15,000
Yes, sir.
divided by 120 makes out 125. So what is the value of x?
5.
5. So what are the dimensions? So length will become 6 into 5, which will be
30.
centimeters. Remember to write down the units, 25 centimeters and 20 centimeters. Okay. Everyone clear so far? Sara Bastani, that is clear. Krishna, clear? I cannot hear you, Krishna. Rishima, Sara Patel, Siddhant Garve, is this question clear so far?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now go on and work out the second part of the problem, which is surface area. You know the formula for surface area? Quickly do that. Let me erase this part of the question so I can solve the surface area part. Rest of you, hurry up and solve it now. You know the formula for total surface area of a cuboid? Rishima, tell me the formula for total surface area of a cuboid.
Two brackets L into B plus L into H
LB plus
B
BH,
into H.
2 into LB plus BH plus LH. So quickly work this out.
Yes, sir.
Just remember to take care of your calculations in these problems. Last 1 minute, all of you will quickly solve this. Just replace the values and send me your answers. All of you will hurry up. Aryan, let's solve this.
Yes, sir. So total surface area is equals to 2 into 30 into 25 plus 25 into 20 plus 30 into 20. That is equals to 1850 centimeter.
No.
7 minutes.
Did you get 750, 500 and 600 in between?
Oh, sir, I did a calculation mistake. I wrote 700. No, 750 plus. So just a minute.
Yeah. That is why you should always go step by step, you know, so that the answer doesn't come wrong. Did everyone, all of you get this answer? Yes, Amita, that was correct. 3,700 centimeters squared. Aryan got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's it for today. We'll be stopping here. We'll take a break for 5 minutes and we'll continue with maths. All of you all, I want you to remember and learn all the formulas that has been done today and yesterday. Please learn both for total surface area and volume of a cube, as well as the total surface area and volume of a cuboid. Okay. So we'll just take a break for 5 minutes and we'll continue with science.